into your Pilates ab deep core exercise routine. Yes, we are gonna really target the deep core today to help you get those amazing abs popping through. My name is Rebecca-Louise. If you are not yet subscribed to this channel, please do just hit that subscribe button so that you can join our community here of positive influencers helping people all around the world get healthy. All right, I'm ready to crush my core. Are you? Lying all the way onto your back, we're gonna take those knees at 90 degrees and then we're just gonna take it into a single leg extension. So relax your head on the ground, okay? Your knees are gonna be at that 90 degrees and we're gonna extend one leg at a time. Modified version, you can bring your knees in a little bit closer towards your chest. If you wanna make it a little bit more challenging, guess what? You just bring those knees away from you. Now I'm gonna give you some little cues throughout this Pilates core workout that's gonna make sure that you are really engaging your core and you are getting the most out of every single exercise. That is why I talk through them, because if you were working with a trainer, then you would actually be getting little cues throughout the whole training session to improve your performance and your results. All right, gently release those legs. We're gonna keep those legs right here at 90 degrees and we're just gonna take it into little toe taps. So again, knees closer towards you for modified. Now bring those hands by your side and really focus right here on tucking your hips underneath, pulling the belly button in towards the spine, and then adding in that exercise. A lot of times our core isn't in the right place to begin with, and that's why we find it frustrating sometimes not to see results even though that we're exercising lots. And of course, nutrition is 80%, and you can have a whole bunch of my favorite recipes inside of my Burn by Rebecca-Louise app. All right, here we go. Little taps right here for 3, breathe, and 2, and give me 1 more. Don't quit, don't cheat, and gently release. All right, we're gonna take it into those knees at 90, but we're gonna take them on diagonal. So really think about squeezing your feet together, and we're just gonna take it out to one side, coming all the way back in, and then out to the side, and here we go. All right, we got 30 seconds is on the clock, so you're just extending. Now again, the lower you take your legs, the more that you're gonna feel it in your core, okay? But the most important thing is that that back doesn't come off your mat. Relax your head, just take a little tap of your shoulders right now. Are they on the ground? Sometimes they change to wiggle up a little bit. And here we go, we got 10 seconds right here, really strengthening and getting that deep core burn right here. All right, we got this good for 3, 2, 1, and gently release. All right, give your legs a little bit of a shake. We're gonna take it into knees in and out with a double leg extension. So all you're gonna do is bring those knees in and then you extend out, okay? You can bring your hands underneath your booty if that feels a little bit more comfortable, but most importantly, tuck those hips underneath and then bring those knees in slow and then extend slow. This is a slow routine. This isn't like burning a belly fat where we're moving our core and we're moving up and down and shaking it out. No, we're doing this nice and slow to be able to get that deep core burn. Now, you finding it that it's a bit too easy, just drop your legs down an inch or 2 more. Try it, test it, see if you can, and breathe in and exhale everything out. Okay, we're gonna still keep those knees in a similar position. You're gonna bring your hands behind your back, and all we're gonna do is we're gonna lift up and then we're gonna release all the way down to the ground. It's slow, it's controlled. So lift up, again, modified, you bring your knees in closer towards you and then release those arms all the way down. You lift up and hold that crunch and then exhale everything out. Nice work, lift up, hold, and then release. Now try and bring those knees a little bit further away from you and then the same thing. You've got this, here we go. 10 seconds left, lifting up through the chest a little bit more, bringing those elbows nice and wide. Don't let them come in, bring those elbows wide and hold here for 3 and 2 and 1 and gently release. Okay, we're gonna take it into that first exercise that we got started with. So bring your knees at 90 degrees and extending one leg at a time. Take this nice and slow, okay? This isn't a rush thing. This is just slow and controlled. So extend your leg and then bring it back. Now, even if you want to just relax and turn your palms opposite and lift the palms up to the sky and then just relax everything else, because the way that we get that deep core burn is by having all of the tension in the core, right? If we have tension in our neck, if we have tension in our upper body, it's gonna take all of that tension out of the core and we wanna focus it all to be right there. Okay, give me 1 more on either side and gently release. Okay, we're gonna finish With the final exercise right here, we're gonna go those diagonals. So I want you to keep those legs together and you're gonna take it onto the diagonal and then bring it back into the center. And then you're gonna extend out nice and long. This time, I want you to bring your heels all the way to your booty and then twist up the other side and extend nice and long. All right, give yourself a smile because you are gonna finish this workout. How great does it feel knowing that you are gonna complete this workout? Oh yes, you're gonna feel proud of yourself. It is a win for the day, but guess what? There's more. There is always more. If you are up for the challenge, I'm gonna give you something else to do. All right, extend and gently release. All right, roll all the way up. Ooh, I love that one. What a great workout. If you love Pilates and you're like, hey, I feel like I got a little bit more gas in my tank today, fantastic. I have got 2 workouts for you that are perfect to add on after this. And this is just a great little starter. So if you want to do a little bit more working out today, which guys, I'm gonna give you a little bit of a hint. It's gonna get you faster results. I got 2 workouts right here that are gonna help you get the best results in the shortest amount of time. All right, I challenge you. Pick one of them, don't even think about it, and get started.